All right, again, good morning. This is our analysis for the uh, Nasdaq 100. All right. Today is 8/15, August 15, 2025. We got to bring up a disclaimer here. And if you like what you see, people, just subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing. And you can have this study every single morning or in the afternoon. Okay. Here we go. Hold on. Here we go, guys. This is the Nasdaq 100 Ndx. We use pivot points to determine currencies that are or instruments that are overbought and oversold. Make sense? So when price is arriving to this area, we suspect, and it's going to be a reversal. And this reversal historically go back to the pivot. So this trade here is about 600 pips, depending when the signal comes in. But what we see, summer is deadly, all right? It's hanging out in here, all right? So what we want to see also, how many times the price have penetrated this area. Why? Because the price, of course, can establish a new high. But let's see. Because of that, we only sell when the price are arriving to this area. And we only buy when the price is below down here. Why? Because you buy low and sell high. Very simple. All right? Now, let's release the brakes here and go back into the past. Well, hello. Oh no, I don't want to change time frame because I'm going to mess up the robot. All right. Let me stop the robot. So we go 4 hour price never being up there, people. Never being up there. Look at that. Look at that. So we can say that this is the highest point that the DAX has ever been. So that means it's gonna turn? No. But it gives me enough reason to suspect that this price is gonna break down to the downside. Let's go back to 1. Leave our robots alone. You can use any robot and give you buy or sell signals. All right. You can even have a stop and reverse. All right. But I have another technique which I don't want to discuss here. All right, again, this is our analysis for the Ndx. We believe that there is a possibility. Today is Friday. It's kind of funny. Summer, volatility is low. So there is a probability that the price will shoot back to this point, and this is a sweet trade right there, people. All right, again, this is our analysis of the Ndx. Remember to subscribe, ring the bell icon, so you can receive these studies every morning or every afternoon. Okay. See ya.